Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how students can potentially get ChatGPT Plus for free or at a discounted price using legit methods. No hacks, no shitty stuff. So if you are a student on a budget but want access to GPT-4, stick around. First things first, ChatGPT Plus is the paid version of ChatGPT that gives you access to GPT-4, priority access during high traffic, and faster response times. It costs $20 per month, which can be tough for students, but do not worry, there are a few ways around paying full price. Method number one, use Microsoft Copilot. Free GPT-4. Let's start with the best workaround, Microsoft Copilot. It uses GPT-4 for free and is accessible through Bing or Edge. All you need is a Microsoft account. Head over to bing.com/chat, sign in, and boom, GPT-4 for free. If you are on mobile, just download the Microsoft Copilot app or use the Bing app. It's 100% legit and runs GPT-4 Turbo, similar to ChatGPT Plus. Method 2, student discounts or free access via university. Some universities and colleagues are starting to partner with OpenAI or third-party platforms to offer GPT access. Check with your school's IT department or library services. Search your school portal for AI tools or ChatGPT access. Some schools offer GPT-powered writing tools through tools like Notion AI or Jasper, which use OpenAI under the hood, free for students. Method 3, GitHub Student Developer Pack perks. Here's another tip. Sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. It gives you tons of free tools. And while it doesn't include ChatGPT directly, you may find GPT-powered tools like Replit, Notion, and more that give you indirect access to AI help. Again, all free. Just Google GitHub Student Pack, sign in with your school email, and verify your student status. Scholarships or sponsored access. Did you know some organizations actually sponsor ChatGPT Plus for students in need? Keep an eye on Reddit communities like r/ChatGPT or Twitter/X, where OpenAI sometimes drops free codes or student sponsorships. These are rare, but if you are in active tech communities, you might catch a promo. And now let's recap. You can get GPT-4 access for free by using Microsoft Copilot. Check your school for AI tool access. You can sign up for the GitHub Student Pack and look out for community giveaways. While there is no official free ChatGPT Plus for students program yet, these workarounds are the next best thing. And now, which method are you trying out first? Let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon to get all the new videos. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.